Bitcoin Cash, BCH, a Bitcoin fork built for larger blocks, faster and cheaper payments. BCH split from Bitcoin over scalability and SegWit, choosing larger blocks instead. In 2018, the community split again, creating Bitcoin SV. On the 15th of November 2020, a fork produced Bitcoin Cash ABC, BCHA. BCHA included an 8% miners tax to fund development. BCH raised block limits, 8 MB originally, later 32 MB, to boost capacity. That means lower fees and faster transactions for payments. Store BCH in trusted wallets. Check bitcoincash.org recommendations. Hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger add extra security. Always verify the recipient address. Sending to the wrong chain can lose your funds. You can trade BCH derivatives. Perpetuals and futures are available on many exchanges. BCH shares Bitcoin history before the fork, but runs on its own blockchain. Learn more and do your own research.